In this step, we're going to work on creating folders. We're going to create a folder on our desktop and name it Operating Systems. We're going to create 3 folders inside of the Operating System folder and name them Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Then we're going to take a screenshot of the inside of the Operating System folder showing our folders. Okay, so let's minimize this. I'm going to change my dock preferences here to have that automatically hide again. And I'm going to create my folders. So I'm right-clicking or pressing with 2 fingers on my laptop. I'm going to select New Folder. And sometimes it's a little tricky with the touchpad to get it to where you can rename it. There we go. I'm going to name it Operating System. I'm going to hit Enter. And that creates my new folder right here. To create new folders inside of it, I can go into File, New Folder, and name it Word. Make sure I've got the operating system selected so it doesn't go inside the Word folder. File, New Folder, PowerPoint, File, New Folder. Oops, and I put it in the wrong place. Excel. That's easy enough to fix. I can just drag that over here. And so in my desktop folder, here, I have operating systems. When I open that, it opens up my Finder window, and you'll see that I have Excel, PowerPoint, and Word inside the operating systems folder. So let's review. I showed you 2 ways to create a new file folder. You can right-click on your desktop and choose New Folder, or you can go to the File menu and choose New Folder. I personally like the File New Folder method because it makes it easier for me to rename the file. You just have to make sure that you're right-clicking to select it to rename it. To get rid of a file, because I just created an extra one, you simply drag it to the trash. So we will now use our Grab option. Make sure it's selected. Choose Capture Selection, and that gives me most of it. I probably want to do that again. Not real happy with that one, so I can close it. Don't save. Move this over so I can see it. Select Grab again, Capture Selection, and I can show that I have my files right there. And that works, and I can save as folders, save them to my desktop, and in my Word document, I would save it right here. And again, you can resize this from the corners, dragging inward. There we go. Okay, so that's it for creating your folders.